So I'm back on this yh14 Kymron 2023. Problem is that at some point in time, for no reason, the ignition would not activate the solenoid. So I went through the process of jumping to the solenoid to see that the solenoid with a hot wire would engage, and it would. So my starter's okay, my solenoid's okay. So then I went to the starter harness, and these wires were all bent up because they were rubbing against this housing on the spool valve for the excavator, and were bent pretty sharply. So I'm hoping that the issue was nothing more than the wire female plug in here was being bent away over time and from the vibration of the machine rubbing that. Otherwise, I think then the green wire is the hot wire, or the hot wire here is broken somewhere in the harness. But the last time I was in on this, my previous video, could not get this whole harness, this whole encasement off of this, and I ended up taking this loose and letting it fall back and realizing that that still wasn't letting it up. Essentially, these hoses are really tight and doesn't allow you to lift up the plastic piece. So I ended up having to remove all 5 of the control arms so that the top would then slide back. And even still, it was pretty tight getting it off of here. So in the future, I wouldn't need to take off any of the pans that I've gotten taken off. All I would have to do is take these bolts loose, these face bolts that hold this piece, and then I should be able to finagle and pull. And once I've removed these 5 control arms, this control panel comes off and you can get to your electrical things, which really the only electrical thing you have to get to is your ignition switch. You've got your gauges, your blade, your light, your blade, or telescoping. And there's this extra wire harness that I don't know what it would go to, unless it would be maybe a horn. It's not part of this package.